Hey everybody, it's Chris Lote here, and in this screencast I'm going to show you how to access your class folder on the school network. This will allow you to um, send out assignments digitally to your students, and when your students of course are logged in, they're able to access them and then also hand in digital assignments back to you. So the first thing you need to do is to log into the Nomad part of your on your computer, and up here you'll notice I've got sign in and lock screen. So when I go to sign in, I'm just using my single sign-on credentials. We'll sign in here, and then when the check mark appears, access or tap on that. You'll notice that I've got a few more options here. Change password, of course, but these file servers, and this is where you will be able to access all of the class folders that are attached to your school. And I've been put into a couple of secondary schools, and I'll open up the Richmond Secondary class folders, and what will happen is all of the folders will open up here with their course codes, and then if I go down to, I've been playing around with one of the classes, this class here, you'll notice I can open this up, and you see this is where you can put assignments in that students can access it. Group work is where students can put documents that allows kids to collaborate on the same document. And the members folder is actually where your students will each have their own folder. You're going to have to put students into this class through the School Connect site, and there's a video on that I have outlined that process. But here's where students will have their own folders, and if I click on one of these students and open it up, you'll see that there's a graded folder and a hand-in folder. So when students finish, they can pop it in there, and you, as a teacher, you'll be able to access that assignment in there, and when you finish, you could pop it in here after you have assessed it. So every student will have their own folder. Now, one thing to note is I can select all of them, and if I do Command and right arrow, what this will do is this opens up every single folder, and you'll notice here I've got the for some reason it didn't open up that one, but it'll open up all the folders, and I can see all the individual documents that are inside each of these folders. So rather than having to click and open things, you can do this with the key commands. And I can close them all just by using the left arrow. So Command right arrow will open everything up, and Command left arrow will close it all. So that's where you will have your student folders will be in here. Now I'm going to go back one level. I'm going to go into the assignments here, and you can see I've got through a couple of assignments, and they're playing around with it. But there's another test assignment, so I can just drag it in there, and this is where your students, when they log in, they will be able to go and grab that assignment and put it onto their own desktop and work on it, and then hand it back into you through this system. So that's the basics of this of the new, I guess, student accounts, and hopefully that will help you manage your digital documents with your students, especially in the labs. Bye-bye.